Welcome back, children. Let us continue with the line-wise paraphrasing of Act 1, Scene 1 of The Tempest, beginning from line number 35. Enter bosun. So bosun says, "Down with the topmast." He says, "Lower the topmast." "Yare, lower, lower." Yare means quickly, without any delay, lower the topmast. Bring her to try with the main course. That is, adjust the sails so that the ship's bow is in the wind, so that it will start moving. A cry within. Someone screams and shouts within. A plague upon this howling. He says, a curse on this howling which is taking place inside. They are louder than the weather or our office. Those who are howling, they are louder than the terrible weather, the roaring of the storm, and our office. Our office means we people who are working hard in order to keep the ship sailing. Re-enter Sebastian, Antonio and Gonzalo. Now bosun gets angry looking at the three of them again on the deck of the ship, and he says, yet again, he says, you have come back over here again. What do you here? What do you want? What work is it over here that you have? Shall we give over and drown? He says, do you want us to give up and allow the ship to get destroyed and let all of us drown? Have you a mind to sink? He says, have you made up your mind to sink in the sea and die? Sebastian, a plague on your throat. He says, a curse on your throat, you bawling, blasphemous, uncharitable dog. That is, you howling, you blasphemous means who talks irrelevantly, howling, in unfeeling dog. Bosun, work you then. He says, then all right, then you start working, you try to save the ship from sinking and breaking. Antonio, hang, hang. He says, dog, may you hang, may you hang. You insolent noise maker, you disrespectful person who is making so much of noise. We are less afraid to be drowned than thou art. He says, we are not so afraid of drowning than you are. Gonzalo, I warrant him for drowning. He says, I'll guarantee that this fellow will not die by drowning, though the ship were no stronger than a nutshell. Although the ship is no stronger than a nutshell, but this man will not die by drowning. Bosun, lay her hold a hold. He says, come on, close to the wind, keep the ship in the wind. Set her two courses. He says, the two courses are the sails which are attached to the lower yards of a sailing ship. So, off to sea again. Set the foresails in such a way so that the ship can move onto the sea again. Lay her off, that is, steer her away from the seashore. Re-enter mariners wet. Mariners all lost, to prayers, all lost. So the mariner says, everything is lost, let us say our prayers, only the prayers can save us, otherwise we are lost, the ship is going to sink. Bosun, what, must our mouths be cold? He says, what, can nothing save us from drowning? Are we all going to die? Gonzalo, the king and prince at prayers. He says, the king and the prince all are saying their prayers. Let us assist them, for our case is as theirs. He says, let us go and join them in the prayers, because we are in the same dangerous situation as they are. Sebastian, I am out of patience. He says, I have lost my patience. Antonio, we are merely cheated of our lives by drunkards. He says that we are going to die because of these drunken men. This white-chapped rascal, he says, this wide-mouthed rascal, thou mightest lie drowning. He says, this wide-mouthed rascal, he is responsible for everything. Would means wish, thou means you, mightest lie drowning. I wish that you are drowned, you lie drowned until you are dead. the washing of 10 tides. He says, I wish that your dead body is lying at the bottom of the sea, and your body has been washed over 10 times by the tides. Gonzalo, he'll be hanged yet. He says, no, this man is going to die by hanging, though every drop of water swear against it. Although every drop of water in the ocean swears against it, and gape at widest to glut him, and it appears that the ocean is ready to open its mouth wide as to swallow him. A confused noise within. There is a lot of noise inside. Mercy on us, he says, mercy on all of us. We split, we split. We split means the ship is going to break into two. Farewell, my wife, children, farewell, brother. He says, goodbye to you, my wife, goodbye to you, my children, goodbye to you, my brother. We split, we split, we split. The ship is going to break. It's going to break. It's going to break into two pieces. Exit bosun. Antonio, let us all sink with the king. So he says, let us all drown with the king. Sebastian, let's take leave of him. He says, let us go say farewell to the king. Exit Antonio and Sebastian. Now would I give 1,000 furlongs of sea for an acre of barren land. He says, well, at this time I am prepared to give 1,000 furlongs of sea. Furlongs is the measure of distance. 1,000 furlongs of sea just in exchange for 1 acre of dry land. Barren land, ground means having nothing, no growth on it. Long heath, brown furze, anything. He says, I don't mind that ground full of the brown plants, the heath, I don't care, anything. The wills above be done. That is, may the will of the heavenly powers be fulfilled. But I would fain die a dry death. He says, but I wish I would prefer to die on dry land. And he exits.